Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular tutorial shows you how to work the Blip-Free left-leaning single decrease in double knitted brioche, and the Blip-Free decreases are a little bit more involved, so let's plough straight in. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the tip of my right needle purlwise into the front of the first stitch with its yarn over and the third stitch with its yarn over on the left needle, missing out the second stitch with its yarn over completely. Slide the left needle out of all those stitches and the second stitch and its yarn over pop free at the back, and before they go anywhere, slide the left needle back into those two strands there. Give everything a nice little tug there just to make sure everything is all aligned very nicely. And then I'm going to slip the first stitch with its yarn over purlwise through the back leg from the right needle to the left. That means taking the left needle tip round the back and bringing it in towards me like that, and then slipping it across. And I'm going to do exactly the same with the next stitch. Slip it purlwise through the back leg, so the tip of the left needle goes round the back and comes in towards you, going to the stitch and its yarn over, sliding them both over like so. Then I'm going to put the tip of the right needle into the front of just the two stitches. We're missing out the yarn overs completely. 1 and 2, so it's just the stitch strands there. You can see the yarn overs have not been involved. Then I slide the left needle tip out of those 4 strands. The 2 yarn overs pop free at the back, and I can get my needle back into 1 and then 2 of the yarn over strands, leaving the 2 stitches on the front needle there. Now I'm going to slip those 2 stitches purlwise from the right needle back to the left. There you can see I've got my 2 knit stitches there, followed by my 2 yarn over strands on the left needle, ready, using my knit coloured yarn, to knit all 4 of those strands together through the back legs, like so. Then I'm going to work my yarn over manoeuvre, taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work over the top of the right needle and bringing it to the front, coming between the needles, and then bringing the knit coloured yarn to the front of the work, also between the 2 needles. Now I'm going to insert the tip of my right needle into the back of just the 2 stitches without the yarn overs, so just the 2 purl stitches there in the pearl coloured yarn. Slide the left needle tip out of those 4 strands, the 2 yarn overs pop free at the front, and I slide the left needle tip back into the yarn overs, having separated the stitches from the yarn overs there. Then I can slip the 2 stitches purlwise, together or separately, it doesn't matter this time, back from the right needle to the left, and then all I need to do is purl those 4 strands together using the pearl coloured yarn just through the front legs as normal, and finish everything by taking the knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. As you can see there, what that's done is that's given me a beautiful blip-free left-leaning decrease on the front. No sign of any colour blips there because we sent the yarn overs to the back of the stack. And on the back of the work, the absolute opposite is true. We've got everything leaning over nicely to the right, and again, no blips in evidence there. And that's all you need to know about the blip-free left-leaning single decrease in double knitted brioche. Zip!